scientists and explorers and readers. Learning math is free. Don't dream of winning trade for it. All you need today, some tools, a little guide from a talented teacher. Child, the teacher's duty is to find it and nurture it. Don't worry, Mom and Dad, our lovely nurse is taking care about us. Science lab, the teacher leads us through science to be creative. We stay healthy because we eat healthy. Unlock the potential of technology at our computer hall. The social worker is always there to support and listen to us.